We just went for a hike up at the fort, and now we're taking a view down below of the whole beach of San Sebastian. It's probably one of the prettiest beaches within a city that I've ever seen. We've seen more beautiful beaches like in Greece, but this is one of the prettiest beaches we've seen in a city. And there's an island in the middle of the bay, and then there's two big hills on either side of the bay. We just climbed one of them and saw the big side.
Here's the island coming up right now, and the hill behind it that has a funicular that takes you up to the top over there on that far point. And then this is the exit from the harbor right here, and I'll bring it all the way around here so you can see the other side of the harbor. And this is where the old fort was, up to the top of this hill. And I'm going to pan on up to the hill, and you'll see Sandy here in just 1 second. We've now made a 360-degree turn.